Hey guys, so today is a windy day, a really windy day. So I made some changes and I'll talk about them quick. So I moved that charm right there, and I moved all the Woodstock charms up here. If you're wondering how I got this charm like a month ago, I think. Here was what it sounds like. Sounds like identical to like chakra charm. Here. Oh, here's another change. Okay guys, so I got all the spring chimes up in here. Please give me a good gust, and then I'll end the video. Whoa, the moon is bigger than normal. Let me ring this one. This one barely rings all the time, unless if it's really crazy windy, like on the 7th, when it knocked on my two flat assholes down. Here we go. Here we go. Here, have y'all even heard this chime? I think y'all didn't hear. See this here? Oh yeah, there's like one of those annoying chimes that Mr. Christmas Lover and Wind Chime Lover hates when they're all the same tube. And I just thought I would include like the Corinthian bells 36 inch.